Reply to start question 37. A and B. Sir, majority of the areas under Amlarem subdivision and Bakur, Dauki, Darang areas experiences heavy rainfall, thunderstorm, and strong winds, leading to snapping of conductors and falling of trees on lines, as most of the line passes through plantation areas like betel nut leaves, banana, bamboo, etc. In addition, planned shutdowns are also taken on the need basis to facilitate undergoing system improvement works under RDSS, loss reduction works, etc. C, yes sir. D, sir, 16 numbers. E, yes sir.
You may ask your question. Mbui, please.
Sir, in urban areas, we are longing to have the candlelit dinner. But in my constituency, sir, every evening we used to have a candlelit dinner. So this is the problem in the border area, where frequent power cut is there. May I know from the minister that what are the measures is taken to help reduce this power cut in that area?
Mr. Speaker, sir, I am totally agreed with honorable member from Amlarem. I have captured the data also, and from the month of April 2025, the number of interruptions is quite high. One of the reasons is because of the connectivity given at Land Port Authority from Shoka substation to Tamabil. That was under construction and it is completed by July. I do hope that with this, the problems will be minimized. Moreover, a lot of steps has been taken to rectify, not only in Amlarem, but other areas also, sir. But this is regarding Amlarem. We have taken RDSS loss reduction, where we are taking up work almost on 12 localities that villages and all these things that it includes around 61 localities. So this loss reduction work will be having ST line construction, then ST line reconducting, LT to ST line conversion, LT line reconducting with AB cables, then DT and installation. There will be around 3163 kVA distribution transformer and 2500 kVA transformer. One of the another reason was there. That's there are 3 substations in that region. Out of these 3 substations, only 1 substation at Shoka was having control room. Other 2 substations were not having control room. Due to that, whenever these were unmanned and control through dropout fuse method, so whenever there is any problem there, it goes back and ultimately the 132 by 33 kV substation at Mustam is also disrupted. So we are taking care of to see that Amlaran station is having a switch yard, and we are working on that. By December, I think the work will be completed. Later, we'll be taking on the Shindai substation also. We have already proposed for system upgradation. With that, I think that problem also will be mitigated, sir. Then there are many bare conductors which passing through the forest area, then Arakanat areas and all these things, especially 33 kV and 11 kV lines. And we are covering this one with medium voltage covered conductors. That also mitigate the problem there. There is also shortfall of manpower. That is also we are looking after. And we do hope that very soon we will be putting around 7 linemen that is required in these areas. So after taking up all these issues, the power problem, distribution problem in Amlaram area, so also other areas will be minimized, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, thank you to the Honorable Minister for attending to the need of the people because really this lineman and all is needed because only 16 to cover 92 village and more than 10,000 consumer. It is a very big. And since he has replied that Amlarem substation will be operationalized because not just control room, because that control room, sir, it was sanctioned way back in 2017, but till date it has not operationalized since. And one more thing, sir, which I want to ask is that, sir, when will be the control room for the Sendai substation will be sanctioned?
Sir, there is a proposal for RDSS system strengthening. We have already proposed in that, sir. We hope that it will be sanctioned very soon.
Thank you, sir, for the positive step of taken by the Power Department to mitigate the suffering of the people because that area is a tourist area where so many tourists are flocking there. So electricity is the main concern. Moreover, the concern of the people is that we have Lekro for micro hydro project is also functioning there, and Leshka also. They told why in our area, in spite of producing so many megawatt of electricity, still we are facing that. But since the positive step taken by the department, I'm happy with that. So let's hope that this shortfall will be taken care of in the future. So thank you.